Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 10.4. In today's episode, we're going to conclude this reading from Polydectes down through Versus Est. But first, let's review. After Perseus pushed his boat, Anauem Apolit, to the island, he went, secontilit, to the place where his mother had once lived. But the house he found abandoned and almost empty. Tris dies, accusative of duration of time. For 3 days, throughout the whole island, he kept looking for, that is, the continuous imperfect, he kept looking for his mother. At last, on the 4th day, he reached, that's Perwenit, the temple of Diana. To this spot, Danae had fled for refuge, refugera, pluperfect, because she was afraid of Polydectes. When Perseus figured these things out, haec cognovit, he was affected, he was overcome, irdra magna, with great wrath. To the palace of Polydectes, without a moment's delay, he went, and when he got there, immediately he burst into the courtroom. Now the new material, Polydectes magno timordra adfectus est, et fugere volebat, dum tamen illa fugit, Perseus caput Medusae monstravit, illa autem simulatque hoc vidit, in saxum versus est. Polydectes, he's our subject, masculine singular, and nominative, with perhaps an unfamiliar ending because it is a Greek word. Polydectes magno timordre, with great fear, was overwhelmed, adfectus est. So this is from afficio, which is, of course, a compound of ad and facio. We see both assimilation of the F to of the D to the F, that's here, and we see a vowel change once the compound is formed. He was overcome, affected, or overwhelmed, magno timoret, with great fear. This, affectus est, is a perfect passive. And he wanted volebat, to escape, fugere volebat. So volebat is from the irregular verb volo velle, like so, but even in its irregular form, notice the ba is still the marker of the imperfect. While, that's dum, while, however, he fled, while he flees, Perseus showed him monstravit, or revealed the caput Medusae, the head of Medusa. So I'm taking a fugit here as a perfect, so I should have said fled. While he fled, Perseus pulled out, or displayed, Medusa's head. Caput is the object of monstravit. It's a neuter singular accusative, its third declension, and of course Medusae is a feminine singular genitive. Monstravit, first declension, monstro, monstrare, like so, and this is the perfect tense. Now we have a new subject, illa, that means Polydectes. He, however, simulatque hoc vidit. Simulatque is an idiom that means as soon as, or at the same time as soon as he saw this, hoc. So vidit is the perfect tense. We distinguish like this. Videt, this is short I, that is the present, but we did, like so, a long I, that's the perfect. As soon as he saw hoc, which means caput, into stone, in saxum versus est. And here is a perfect passive with, of course, Polydectes, the subject, and that's the end of this episode and of Polydectes. Now he is stone.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.